Everybody, look at this. I found this Royal Air Force Airbus A400M Atlas flying over Australia at the moment. This is the second time I have ever seen such an aircraft fly into such a place. So as you can see, it's a British aircraft. It's 8 years old, ZM412, and it's flown out from Denpasar, as I can see here. Goodness knows where it's going. Most likely, I think he'll probably either go to Sydney or Canberra, but if I had to take a guess, probably Canberra. If anyone special's on board or something. So make sure you follow that aircraft before it's too late.